At South Plains College, every student deserves a learning environment that's welcoming and safe. Here's what you need to know and how to get help for yourself or a friend. SPC is committed to supporting students throughout every aspect of their college experience. Reports made under the complaint policy or sexual misconduct policy are addressed through the Equity Resolution Process, or ERP. The ERP applies whenever the respondent, the person alleged to have caused the issue, is a member of the SPC community. This is true regardless of who files the report, whether it is a student, student organization, faculty member, staff, administrator, guest, or a visitor. The Title IX coordinator is Dr. Stan DeMerritt, Vice President for Student Affairs. The coordinator oversees equal opportunity, disability compliance, and our harassment and non-discrimination policy, acting with independence and without conflicts of interest. Dr. DeMerritt is officed in the Student Services Building on the Level N campus and can be reached via phone at 806-716-2568 or email at complaints@southplainscollege.edu. The Deputy Title IX Coordinator is Robin Reeves, Director of Human Resources. She works with the same areas as Dr. DeMerritt regarding the policy and handles cases that only involve employees and co-shares responsibilities in cases involving students and employees. She's officed in the Administration Building on the Level N campus and can be reached via phone at 806-716-2111 or email at rreeves@southplainscollege.edu. If there is a conflict of interest with the Title IX coordinator and or the deputy coordinator in the complaint reported, it is suggested that the complaint be reported to Dr. Robin Satterwhite, President of South Plains College. His office is in the Administration Building on the Level N campus and can be reached via phone at 806-716-2201 or email rsatterwhite@southplainscollege.edu. There are multiple ways to make a report. First, you can easily access the online reporting form from your Student ID app, TouchNet 360U, or by opening a browser and navigating to southplainscollege.edu/referrals. A link to the policy and form are also easily accessible at the bottom of the SPC homepage at southplainscollege.edu. Second, you can directly visit, call, or email the Title IX coordinator or deputy coordinator. Third, you can call the sexual harassment hotline at 806-716-2396. Regarding your privacy and mandated reporting, be assured that your complaints and reports are addressed promptly. You can report anonymously, and the college will investigate to determine what services are needed and remedies are possible. Remember, if you're going to report an incident that happened to you, an anonymous report limits the services and support we can provide you in a time of crisis. Please know that all reports are kept as confidential as possible and limited access is granted to the report and details of the situation. Per State of Texas regulations, all employees are mandatory reporters. There are only a few exempt employees that are not required to report specifics of a case, including an employee performing duties as a counselor and healthcare workers in their role providing health services. Support is available to you whether you choose to make a formal report. The complete list of resources can be found at southplainscollege.edu/health/student health. These resources are also available on the Student ID TouchNet 360U app. Counseling is available to SPC students. Go to the mental health resources on the SPC website to learn more. Call the Health and Wellness Office at 806-716-2529 to discuss options or schedule an appointment. A quick reference guide on what to do about sexual violence is available on the SPC homepage under the Student Services tab at the bottom of the list. The Texas Attorney General's Office provides the Crime Victims Compensation Program that may help cover costs like medical care, counseling, and lost wages. Info can be found at texasattorneygeneral.gov/crime-victims/compensation-program. Remember, you are not alone. Your safety and success matters. If you have questions or need support, reach out. All of the resources mentioned in this video are available in the resources section of this training.